Today, we're here to help you make an informed decision between two impressive Samsung smartphones, the Galaxy A34 and the Galaxy A54. In a world of countless options, these two devices offer great value in the low to mid-tier price range. But which one is the better choice for you? Let's dive in and find out. Both the Galaxy A34 and A54 sport a modern design with three separate camera rings and a stylish pastel color scheme. They feature plastic frames and the coveted IP67 rating for dust and water resistance, a remarkable feature in this price range. However, there is a key difference in the build material. The A34 opts for a plastic back, while the A54 boasts the more premium Gorilla Glass 5, offering a touch of elegance. The A34 offers a larger 6.6-inch AMOLED display compared to the A54's 6.4-inch screen, providing more screen real estate for your content. Both phones shine brightly, with their displays reaching over 1,000 nits of brightness. The A54 adds an extra feature, support for HDR10+ video, enhancing your multimedia experience. When it comes to sound, both phones deliver excellent stereo speakers with impressive loudness and sound quality. There's no significant difference here. On the software front, both devices run Samsung's One UI 5.1 on top of Android 13, ensuring a consistent user experience. The A34 is equipped with a MediaTek Dimensity 1080 chipset, while the A54 features an Exynos 1380 chipset. In benchmarks, the A54 outperforms the A34, both in CPU and GPU performance, although neither is a gaming powerhouse. Both phones come with substantial 5000 mAh batteries, delivering excellent battery life. The A34 takes a slight lead with a 133-hour endurance rating compared to the A54's still impressive 119 hours. Charging-wise, both phones support 25-watt wired charging, with the A54 edging slightly ahead in speed, going from 0 to 56% in just half an hour. The camera setup on both phones is quite similar, with differences mainly in the main and ultra-wide cameras. In daylight conditions, both phones capture excellent photos with high contrast and a wide dynamic range, showcasing Samsung's signature color science. While neither excels in low-light photography, the A54 may have a slight edge. Both phones offer 4K video recording, and the A54 boasts a higher resolution 32-megapixel selfie camera compared to the A34's 13-megapixel one. In summary, the Galaxy A34 and A54 offer subtle differences that may influence your choice. The A54 brings a superior chipset, better camera performance, faster charging, and support for HDR video. On the other hand, the A34 offers a larger display, superior battery endurance, and comes at a lower price point, saving you around $100. Ultimately, both phones deliver a similar user experience with Samsung's One UI 5.1, making your decision a matter of priorities. If you're seeking the most value for your money, the A34 is the winner, while the A54 caters to those who prioritize camera and performance enhancements. Thanks for joining us on this comparison, and we'll catch you in the next one.